Ladies and gentlemen, look at the picture on your screens. Is it a show of strength by opposition at Omar Abdullah's swearing-in ceremony this morning, or is it trouble in paradise? Congress has decided to extend outside support to the government and not take any portfolio in Omar Abdullah's cabinet. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister blamed that Congress was indecisive on who to give the cabinet berth to. And once the Congress is ready, they will get their due. On the other hand, ahead of the UP bypoll, Samajwadi Party unilaterally declared 6 candidates for the 9 bypoll seats that are going to polls in the next elections, a move that completely caught the Congress off guard. In Kerala, right ahead of the Wayanad bypoll, the CPM is accusing Rahul Gandhi of abandoning the region instead of joining the left to demand relief funds for the landslide hit region. The BJP says that the politics of convenience that was powering the opposition bloc is now completely in tatters. Let's listen in to the war of words.
कोई डिसएग्रीमेंट नहीं है ना। अब देखिए, आप माइक हटा दीजिए, माइक छोड़ दीजिए। They have one portfolio. They can't decide who to give it to. We'll wait. Let them decide.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ने यह तय किया है कि अभी हमारा नुमाइंदगी कैबिनेट में नहीं रहेगी और हम बाहर से पूरी तरह समर्थन करेंगे सरकार का। सरकार के अंग नहीं होंगे, लेकिन सरकार को पूर्ण समर्थन रहेगा।
That is their internal India alliance politics. I have always told you that there is no common glue, there is no common ideology, there is no common vision for India that binds the India alliance partners. The only glue, the only thing that binds them is their common hatred and insecurity vis-a-vis Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister. The only common glue is their common hatred for progress and development and their common desire for corruption and looting of public land.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Well, let me ask this question. Anurag Bhadoria ji, India Alliance बैंड बाजा बारात लेकर निकली थी लोकसभा चुनाव से पहले और अच्छा प्रदर्शन भी किया, लेकिन ये 4 महीने और 1 हरियाणा का चुनाव हवा निकल नहीं गई। कांग्रेस पार्टी और एनसी नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस जीत गए जम्मू कश्मीर में। 1 सीट मिली, 6 सीटें जो जीती थी कांग्रेस ने, लेकिन अंदर नहीं गए। और ओमर अब्दुल्ला कह रहे हैं भाई डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे। और आपकी पार्टी इतनी मोहब्बत करती है कांग्रेस से, अपने आप सीटें अनाउंस कर दी 6 की 6। वो बेचारे पूछ रहे हैं, हमसे पूछा भी नहीं, बात भी नहीं की। इतने नाराज क्यों है कांग्रेस से?
वो हमें लगता है कि आपकी बात सुन के मुझे लगता है आपको ज्यादा तकलीफ हो गई।
मुझे तो हो रही है।
आपका जो भाषा है,
मैं आपकी शुभचिंतक हूं ना।
कांग्रेस में देखिए, मैं आपका सबसे ज्यादा शुभचिंतक हूं, इसीलिए आपसे कह रहा हूं कि इंडिया गठबंधन एक है और मजबूत है। जो कश्मीर घाटी से इंडिया गठबंधन की एकता की तस्वीर आई है, वो देश की तकदीर बदलेगा। जिस तरह का आपने देखा सब साथ में है, वो सब इंडिया गठबंधन मिलके, क्योंकि आप 2024 में भी चुनाव के पहले लोकसभा में यही निकाला जा रहा था, देखिए वहां गठबंधन नहीं हो रहा है, यहां गठबंधन नहीं हो रहा है, वहां दिक्कत हो रही है, यहाँ यूपी में सीट बंटवारा नहीं हो रहा। बाद में क्या हुआ? टाटा पीस बीजेपी यहाँ 33 में सिमटी ना।
भैया हरियाणा में क्या हुआ? आम आदमी पार्टी को नहीं दी कोई भी सीट, समाजवादी पार्टी को नहीं दी। वहां पर क्या हुआ? वहां पर भी तो आपकी टाई फिस हो गई ना। आप सीजन 1 लोकसभा चुनाव के बाद नहीं देख रहे, आप अभी भी अटके हुए हैं जून के रिजल्ट्स में। जून के रिजल्ट्स छोड़ दीजिए, ये सितंबर के रिजल्ट्स देख लीजिए, बता दीजिए भैया क्या हश्र हुआ कांग्रेस पार्टी का और इंडिया अलायंस का हरियाणा में। जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव, इफ द इंडिया अलायंस इज सो टुगेदर, इफ इट इज सच अ बिग हैप्पी फैमिली, हम सब साथ साथ हैं, then why is Congress party not inside the government? Why is it supporting it outside the government? And you saw the irritability of Omar Abdullah, who said we've offered them Baba 1 seat. They can't make up their minds. क्या करें?
It clearly shows National Conference, their main ally, Congress's ally and dominant ally in Jammu and Kashmir. It shows their pick towards the non-performance or disastrous performance of the Congress party, which actually pulled down that alliance. The Congress could manage to win only 6 seats in the entire Jammu and Kashmir. Out of 32, they contested. And only because NC performed well in the valley, they are able to form the government. And look at, always the Congress was a bigger party than the BJP in the Jammu region, but today they have been completely swept away. They've been swept out. So today the Congress is seen to be a big burden by the alliance partners. That's the reason why even Samajwadi Party is going ahead with its announcement of candidates. It doesn't want to wait, or it doesn't want to give any importance. So Congress is, which wants to act as a big brother, is actually the liability for the India alliance. So the alliance is only in the name. The alliance has actually already suffered a death, some kind of a body blow. And this post-elections in Maharashtra, I think it will be a chapter closed for the India alliance.
अनुराग भदौरिया जी, आपके अबू आजमी इस स्टोरी में भी एक्टिव है. And let me ask Kamru Zaman Chaudhary. Abu Azmi has just tweeted and he says, अगर महाविकास आघाड़ी के जो constituents है, whether it is Congress, Sharad Pawar's NCP or Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray group, if they release any of the list of the assembly candidates without speaking to Samajwadi Party, it means that Samajwadi Party is not part of this alliance. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, क्या हो गया है? क्या से क्या हो गया?
Navika ji, I believe you are a journalist. Navika ji, you are practicing journalist for a long time to understand the nitty-gritties of the coalition politics and the seat adjustments. Once the seat adjustment, till the time that is done, there will be some ups and downs between this. It hardly matters. But Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra is on a very big positive upswing, winning 30 out of the 48 seats, out of which Congress had managed to be the largest winning party after it has won around 13 seats in Maharashtra this time. So Congress is going to lead. Who takes on the leadership role is a time will tell. But we are very comfortable in discussing Congress, the Mahavikas Aghadi or the India Alliance or whatever you may call it. But nobody is speaking that whether the Chief Minister in waiting, perpetual waiting in Maharashtra, Mr. Ajit Pawar or Mr. Shinde will get a chance, or once again Mr. Fadnavis will strike to claim a formed a government at the dawn, that nobody is discussing out here. The basic point out here is that after the
everybody loves you so much, they discuss only you. Everybody loves the Congress party. When they discuss you, you have a problem. When they don't discuss you, you say that the media does not pay attention. But Anand Ranganathan, Kamru Zaman Chaudhary says that ahead of elections, till seat adjustments happen, these kind of voices come. लेकिन कश्मीर में तो सीट एडजस्टमेंट भी हो गई, रिजल्ट भी आ गए, बर्थ भी ऑफर हो गई. No takers from the Congress party outside support, and Abu Azmi's statement coming in now. What do you make of it?
Can I give a statement on Kashmir?
Yeah, no, Kamruji, I did not interrupt you. Kamruji,
Navika,
please.
Just 10 seconds on Kashmir.
I'll come back to you, Kamruji.
Just 10 seconds on Kashmir, Anandji. I will not take any more of it.
Okay, all right, 10 seconds.
Yeah, basically Congress's stand in Kashmir is that Congress's stand is that till the time the statehood is restored in Jammu and Kashmir, we will not be a part of any government, but will be providing a stable government by providing outside support.
Well, either you think that we are totally naive and we don't know anything about news, or you think हम आपके प्रवचन सुनने के लिए बैठे हैं यहाँ पर. Anand Ranganathan, it's part of folklore in Kashmir that they asked for 2 berths in the cabinet. They got 1, which is why they are sulking. Number 1, and number 2, if they did not want to be part of the government, they forgot to inform Omar Abdullah, who had reserved 1 berth for them. They didn't even tell him.
नाविका, कांग्रेस के दोगलेपन और हिपोक्रेसी एंड अपॉर्चुनिज्म पे मैं ये भी एक सेकंड में आता हूं। पहले मेरे गुड मित्र जो गुड फ्रेंड है कमरू जी, उनकी बात कर लूं। उन्होंने महाविकास अघाड़ी की बात करी, तो कमरू जी ठीक है, उनका जो कह रहे हैं वो ठीक है, लेकिन मैं इनसे एक छोटा सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं। महाविकास अघाड़ी में जो इनके कोलिशन पार्टनर्स हैं, अलायंस पार्टनर हैं, वो है उद्धव ठाकरे की शिवसेना। वो वीर सावरकर को भारत रत्न देना चाहते हैं। कमरू जी, क्या आपके जहन में वीर सावरकर कावर्ड थे?
देखिए, ये सब डिबेट जिस तरह से ट्रिविलाइज करना चाहते हो आनंद जी, दिस इज इररेशनल आउट हियर। वीर सावरकर हैज बीन अवार्डेड द नेशंस ऑर्डर।
Was he a coward or was he not?
You have
said before that he was a coward.
Policies about his Hindutva.
You have said before that he was a coward.
Will remain so.
Why don't you stick by that? Why don't you stick by that statement of yours that you said Veer Savarkar was a coward? Why are you changing the statement now just because elections are here?
But do not idolize Mahatma Gandhi shooter, Godse. You build a temple for Godse.
But this is not the debate. The debate simply is there trouble in paradise? Yes or no? What do you see, Anand?
That is why I want to say, आप कश्मीर की बात कर लीजिए। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस वांटेड टू रिमूव द एब्रोगेशन ऑफ 370, कांग्रेस वाज अगेंस्ट इट। आप केरला की बात कर लीजिए, कांग्रेस सेज कि पिनराई विजयन हैज इंडल्ज्ड इन 100 करोड़ कैमरा स्कैम। आप झारखंड की बात कर लीजिए, वहां पे कह रहे हैं कि ये इन्होंने दे हैव जेएमएम इज इंडल्ज्ड इन लार्ज स्केल हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग। मैंने आपको एमवीए की बात करी। हर बंगाल में कह रहे हैं ममता हैज किल्ड डेमोक्रेसी। इनके हर एक पार्टनर को देख लीजिए, नो वन इज इन मॉरल एंड एथिकल अलायंस विद द कांग्रेस। So Navika, what are you talking about? This is an alliance of sheer and utter opportunism.
Absolutely, and have the people now realized? I don't know. As a political analyst, Haryana results have been surprising. When it was an upswing for the opposition, why was that chance frittered away by the opposition? Is a question that is actually, making many people curious on what happened on the ground. Will this repeat in Maharashtra, in Jharkhand? The question still remains. In Uttar Pradesh, candidates announced without even the first conversation with the Congress party, and Samajwadi party says sab kuch theek thak hai. In Jammu and Kashmir, Congress is giving outside support, not part of the Omar Abdullah government, lekin sab kuch theek thak hai. Uddhav Thackeray wants to be called the chief ministerial candidate. कोई नहीं बुला रहा उन्हें, लेकिन सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. We'll wait and watch. 23rd of November, not very far away. क्या ठीक है, क्या गलत है, will show up in the results on the 23rd of November. But till then, Congress, well, it's on the back foot for anybody to see. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night and be safe.